Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to connect your bike with your laptop for diagnosis. You have to remove both of the seats of the bike, the front and the rear. Be careful with the cables. We're removing the seats in order to access the socket, the special socket that is under the rider seat, which is the connector which connects the Ducati Diagnostic with your bike. This is exactly what I mean. These are the two cables that you have to buy. One is for connecting the bikes, the Euro 5 bikes, this red socket. You install it there in the bike. And the other is the OBD second generation. The OBD has a USB connector that you will connect it to your laptop. You need the program and drivers. You need the program for the diagnosis and the drivers for the OBD. This is the program for the Ducati. It's free. It's very easy to use. You have to turn on the bike. Okay, there is a red light on the OBD. And now you have to connect the software with your bike. When it is connected, you press the get a license and you have to put some details here, like your email and your bike, and they will send you in your email a license file which you later copy and paste to the folder of the program. You will see now which is the procedure. Donate to this guy because he's doing a great job. Here is the file. You have to copy. You have to find the location of the program with this way. Open the file location, and now you will paste the file at this directory. So you follow again all the steps you turn on the bike, you run again the software, and now you are connected. In this program you can reset the kilometers light, the service lights, you can access to the TPS reset and things like that, and read some details for your bike. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. Thanks for watching.